I come from a long line of storytellers. My father, my grandfather. My grandfather was a federal judge in Beaumont, Texas, where I grew up. He was a hero of mine. He was someone I always looked up to, always wanted to both impress and emulate. He was very funny and gregarious and a great raconteur. To me, storytelling is the key. You make your audience feel what it is you're conveying. You make them feel what your client felt and will feel in the future as a result of whatever underlying accident, wreck, injury, insurance claim debacle brought you to that point. If you can't make your audience feel and really live what you're conveying, then you're falling short. When Hurricane Rita hit, my dad stayed in town because he had obligations to tend to. He had his clients and he had their payroll, and when I saw my dad for the first time in 2 or 3 months, that's the moment that I decided to sue insurance companies for their bad faith.
There was significant damage to my home during Hurricane Harvey, and the insurance company sent one adjuster out to assess the damage, and after his assessment, it was pretty much a ridiculous amount. I was angry, I was frustrated, I felt like I was being ripped off as a homeowner who had a legitimate claim for a home that was insured. One thing that I noted, once a call came through from the Cook Law Firm, the tune completely changed. You know, all of us from time to time need an advocate. And having been a civil rights advocate myself and having dealt with a number of attorneys, I know what it is to have a fighter on your side. Mr. Cook was a fighter. He knew how to fight, he knew the law, and he was willing to go all the way. And that's what I did.
I met Andrew in my role as an expert witness in evaluating insurance claims, to go out and evaluate what the damages were, and then if asked, to testify in court. When I had a claim, because I'm an adjuster, I was hoping I didn't have to go down that road, and unfortunately I did. I work with a lot of different attorneys throughout the U.S., and Andrew was the one that I targeted and said, this is who I want to go after the insurance companies. My interaction with the Cook Law Firm was fantastic. I couldn't have done it without him.
If you hire the Cook Law Firm, that decision will pay for itself. I would tell somebody that's going it alone that they'd be well served to save themselves the time, the trouble, and the heartache of playing this insurance company shell game, talking to a different person each time, and hire somebody that does this, and that wants to do this, and that lives to do this, and let the Cook Law Firm take that burden.